Midbrain again, two levels. At the level of the superior colliculus and the level of the inferior colliculus. Okay? Practically, pareho ang itsura. Para siyang mantelet.
Picture na.
Ay, hindi. Yung picture namin sa slides. Nagawan ba natin? Nagawa natin. Hindi ko na pala ito matundaan. Ayan. So,
Okay, pag sinyade ko, ibig sabihin dark siya. Okay, ito yung ano, ventral. Dorsal, ventral. Ventral ang makikita mo, cerebral peduncle. Cerebral peduncle or two cerebri. Divided into 5 parts. Middle, lateral fifths. Sabihin na natin na medial fifths, lateral fifths, tapos itong gitna, middle 3/5. So the middle 3/5 is made up of your corticospinal tract. Sa lahat ng systems ng body, ang nervous system ang pinaka-organized. Disiplinado. Corticospinal, frontopontine, so medial 1/5, and the middle 3/5. Ito, lateral. Temporo, parieto, occipito, pontine. Okay? So, cerebral peduncles, the arrangement of the fibers is in such a way that they are the most medial 1/5 is occupied by fibers going to the pons, frontopontine. The middle 3/5 corticospinal, meaning they are destined for the spinal cord. Ito yung mag-decossate. And then lateral 1/5 from the temporal, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, but only up to the pons. Then, dorsal to that, you have a light area, which is the substantia nigra. You have two layers, substantia nigra, pars compacta and pars reticulata. The pars compacta is rich in dopamine, and the deficiency of the dopamine will result in Parkinson's disease. Okay? The level of the inferior colliculus, so pareho sila itsura, so inferior colliculus to. But how do I know it is the inferior colliculus? You look at the tegmentum. Supposedly, you know that at the inferior colliculus, the trochlear nerve should be here. Okay? But the appearance will not tell you it is the trochlear or the oculomotor. Instead, if you look at the tegmentum, you will see fibers, crossing fibers. And this is the crossing fibers of the brachium conjunctivum or the superior cerebellar peduncle. Okay, once you see this, once you look at the tegmentum and you see that you have a dark, that's a dark area, and sometimes you can see, sometimes it's just a dark area or fibers which are really running, crisscrossing against each other. You know that that is the crossing fibers of the brachium conjunctivum. Then you know it is now the inferior colliculus. Now, before you reach the inferior colliculus, look at the cerebral aqueduct and then the periaqueductal gray surrounding it. Which is rich in morphine-like substance for control of pain. Okay? Now, that is lower half. Lower half, or the level of the superior colliculus. And supposedly, the trochlear nucleus will be here. Supposedly, kasi mahirap mo makita sa slide. Now, at the upper half, pareho lang yan, pero ito magiging superior. And this will disappear. Instead, you will see a nucleus, which will be in gross specimen will appear as red because it is vascular. So this is the red nucleus. Pag hindi ka pa rin sigurado, tignan mo dito sa kasi dito peduncle, so ano to? Interpeduncular fossa. Hindi yung nagko-correspond dito. Diyan, ano lumalabas doon? Ano lumalabas na cranial nerve? Oculomotor. Kaya, makikita mo dito, may nag-e-exit na nerve. So, once may nakita ka nerve na nag-e-exit, oculomotor yon, therefore, superior colliculus. Because the appearance of the inferior and superior colliculus actually is the same. You just have to look at the pigmentum to see whether that is superior or inferior colliculus. And you have to distinguish them because they have different functions. Kasi kapag nakaturo dyan, colliculus siya, pero hindi mo alam kung inferior or superior. Look at the pigmentum. If you see the brachium conjunct, hindi mo rin pwedeng gamitin ng substantia nigra at cerebral peduncle. Pareho silang nandun. So, dito ka titingin pigmentum. Pag nakita mo red nucleus, pag hindi ka pa rin sigurado, dito maghanap ka ng oculomotor superior. Yan. Visual function. Kapag ang nakita mo dito is the brachium conjunctivum, that's the inferior colliculus. Okay? So, look at your slides.